We'll guide you through how to create Gumroad VRChat avatars using the most up-to-date methods for 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the VRChat website and make sure you have an account set up and ready to go. Then, download the latest version of Unity, which is essential for creating VRChat avatars. You'll want to get the version that's compatible with VRChat, currently Unity 2025.2. Once you've installed Unity, go over to the VRChat SDK page and download the SDK 3 for avatars. This SDK is necessary for uploading your custom avatars to VRChat. Now, open Unity and start a new project. Make sure to import the VRChat SDK by going to Assets, then Import Package, and select Custom Package. Choose the SDK 3 package you downloaded. With the SDK imported, you can now begin designing your avatar. You can either create one from scratch using 3D modeling software like Blender, or use a pre-made avatar base. If you're using Blender, export your model as an FBX file, then import it into Unity. Once your model is in Unity, you'll need to rig the avatar using the humanoid rig configuration to make sure it moves correctly in VRChat. Don't forget to adjust the materials and textures to make your avatar look exactly how you want. After your avatar is ready, go to the VRChat control panel within Unity and log in with your VRChat account. From there, you can upload your avatar directly to VRChat by clicking Build and Publish for Windows. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the upload. Finally, go to Gumroad and upload your avatar file as a product. Set your price and add any necessary descriptions or promotional images. Once you've set up your Gumroad listing, share the link with your community or on social media to start selling. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.